Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate one of my pattern starter templates. This template will be available to download in my Patreon page. I also have this template and more in my Ultimate Pattern Maker Toolkit for Photoshop, which includes all of my Photoshop templates and actions to help improve your workflow when designing in Photoshop. And I will leave a link in the description below to both my Patreon page and this toolkit. The template we are looking at today is my template 4. It is designed in a 4:3 ratio. Dimensions are 7200 pixels by 5400 pixels. It's designed in a larger scale. That way you can use it for a variety of design projects. For this template, we have one artboard. In the layers panel here, you'll notice our smart object here at top, and then we have our group with our template, which has the repeats here. So let's go ahead and double click on this smart object. We have our reference layer, which you can turn off the visibility. And then let's go ahead and access our brush tool. Clicking here on the tool, right click, we see our brush tool, that is B for the keyboard shortcut. For this one, I'm just going to start drawing here just some various lines here on my canvas. Put another one over here. And then maybe more over there. Okay, so we have some lines here. Let's go ahead and save this and see how it looks in our template. So we'll go Command or Control S. Click into our template document here. Because this is a single artboard, we can use the pattern preview tool. So I'm going to zoom out, Command or Control with the minus key. And what you'll notice is you can kind of see that line, but when you zoom back in, it's not there. So don't worry about that. It's just something about going smaller and zooming out. So I'm going to go View, Pattern Preview. And we can see the repeat of our pattern here. So this is just a fun template and fun repeat that you can use to play around with your lines and your shapes. If you wanted to save this pattern, you could go to Edit, Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name here and just click on OK. And here in the patterns panel, we can see our saved pattern. So let's jump back into our object, see if we can create something new. So we'll hit the plus icon here. So let's go ahead and try some new lines here. Maybe we create a little more of a wiggly shape. Maybe another line here, just playing around, see how it will repeat. So we'll go ahead and save this, Command or Control S. Jumping back in here. And so we have our repeating elements here. So it's definitely fun to play around with. Sometimes you might not like it and sometimes you will. But it's definitely kind of a cool repeat. Let's go ahead and try one more. So I'm going to click and shift, click and shift here, click, shift. We'll just create some lines here. Click and shift, and then we'll go ahead and try that there. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, Command or Control S. Jumping into our template document here, we can see this cool design here. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one. I like this design. So another way to save your pattern is from the Patterns panel. If you don't see the Patterns panel, go to Window and click on Patterns here. And then you can just hit this plus icon and you can give your pattern a name, clicking on OK, and we can see our pattern here in the Patterns panel. So I hope you enjoy trying out this template. If you want to get your hands on this template, check out my Patreon page where I share all my design files for my YouTube videos. You could also find this template and more in my Ultimate Pattern Maker Toolkit, which includes all of my Photoshop actions and templates that are designed to help improve your workflow when designing patterns in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. See you next time.